going to make an origami crane or Orizuru, which is a very traditional design. Again, start off with a square sheet of paper, again using one which is colored on one side so that it is easy to see the folds. We'll start off by pre-creasing it. Fold it in half, open it out, rotate it by 90 degrees, fold it in half again, and then open it out again. Now these creases will be useful in the following steps. Now, bring one corner down to the opposite corner and crease firmly along the diagonal. Fold this in half again, crease it. Now bring one half up and open it out like this. This is where the folds you made in the previous step come in useful. Turn it over, lift up this half and open it out again. So this is your open end, this is the closed end. Now take one of these flaps and fold it up to the center line like this. Repeat. Now you see this triangle over here. Fold this and crease it lightly. It will help you in the following steps. Now open out the flaps, lift this open end up to this line you folded up just now, and bring in the corners like this. Turn it over, open out these flaps, lift up this corner up to this line and bring in the sides again. So these will be your wings and these will be the tail and the neck. Now fold in half once more. Repeat. turn it over and fold in these halves as well. Next is a slightly tricky step, so be careful with this. Take this half and fold it up like this. So you are making a reverse fold here. Now take the tip and fold it in like this and flatten it. Then open out the wings and the crane is ready.